Hello
friends,
friends,
this is
this
a
is a
home
home
decor
decor
channel,
channel,
and
and
today
today
we
we
are
are
bringing
bringing
you the
you the
idea
idea
of
of
decorating
decorating
walls
your
with hanging planters.
walls with
And
beautiful
we tried
hanging
to collect a
planters,
multitude
and
of
we
ideas
tried to collect different
where you can
ideas,
see uh,
the different type of plants. They are in the form of they are in different pots and planters, in bottles, and in planters, and somewhere they are placed on wall in a style that they seems hanging. And sometimes different pots are used uh, for hanging them with a rope, and they create just an amazing effect and make your home look just beautiful. And some of the walls has vineyards in decorated in such a way that they are decorating the walls beautifully. And they are just planted on the walls in such a way that it seems that they grew on the walls, but they are not grown on the walls, they are just decorated this way. And some of the walls are decorated with uh, little plants in such a way that they are hanging on the wall. And hanging plants create such a green and beautiful effect on the walls. It make your home look greener, fresher, and calmer. And it can be an anxiety free zone for a person. And greenery inside your room and plants on your walls create work as antidepressants, and they look just uh, beautiful, calming, and soothing. And especially in spring and summer, you can create these beautiful looks on your walls. And your the inside of your home will give you an effect of a home garden. And you can sit there, you can relax, and it's soothing for your eyes and for your brain too. And you can decorate the walls of your home, and the main walls in the corners of your home and your terraces. And this all look just amazing and beautiful. And especially the hanging money plants, they grow, and they grow in a style that you can hang them on walls, and they look just beautiful. And some of the planters can be hung on the walls with support. And you can create a structure with which you can make the vineyard climb. And that will look just amazing. Some of the plants can be grown in pots, and those pots can be placed on walls in such a style that it seems these plants grew on the wall. And this all create just a beautiful look on the walls, and the wall looks amazing. And we tried to collect a multitude of ideas, where we tried to show the small walls, the big walls, and different type of planters, so you can choose from them. And if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up.